Hey, what's up everyone? I decided to give myself a little bit of an undercut side shave. It's something I've always wanted to do. I have very thick hair and it's just so much easier to maintain when it's shorter. But I've always wanted to try this and it feels so much better. I think I'm also gonna do an undercut going down behind my neck, on the nape of my neck. I'll probably have my husband help me do that. Somewhat discreet, nothing too crazy. Hair grows back, so if I don't like it, I can always like flip it over to one side or let it grow out, but I love it. So I'm gonna show you what I did. Again, I'm not a professional by any means. I followed a different YouTube video to do this and I guess it worked. So let's get to it. You will need hair cutting scissors, clips, bobby pins, styling comb, and clippers. So I spent a good 10 minutes parting my hair. I made it a deeper part than I normally go just because I wanted to start small and not accidentally take off too much hair. Put bobby pins in place to keep it secure and cut off the majority of my hair. I kept my part mainly up from my eyebrow down behind my ear. So next I used my clippers with a 12mm guard on it. I didn't want to go too short starting out. I noticed some of the lines were slightly uneven, so I would pull little bits of stranded hair out and trim them. I then switched to a 9mm guard and went over it again. I cleaned it up some more and that's the final product.